Hi everyone, this is your interview buddy Raghavi from Quantumnique. Today, we're diving into structures in C programming. A structure is a user-defined data type that allows you to group different types of data under a single name. Think of a student record. It has a name, a roll number, and marks. These are different types, but structures help us combine them. Here's the syntax. We use the struct keyword, followed by the structure name and its members inside curly braces. In our C code, we define struct student with an int, a char array for the name, and a float for marks. Inside main, we create a student variable s1 and initialize it with values for Arun. Then, we use printf to access and display the members using the dot operator. Simple and organized. Quiz time! Structure is used to group A, same data types, or B, different data types. The answer is B, different data types. Interview tip. Structures are stored in contiguous memory locations. Follow Raghavi from Quantumnique for more tech insights and check our GitHub for the code. See you next time!